This is fit for a 2017, 2018, and beyond Subaru Outback Wagon Touring with factory installed flush side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule AeroBlade Edge base roof rack system. The system is using the AeroBlade load bars with integrated feet. This front position is part number 7602. It offers usable bar spacing between the feet of 32¼ inches. It connects to the factory flush side rails using the complete fit kit part number KIT 4052. Here we have the crossbars positioned at 27½ inches from front to rear, center to center. The rear is the 7602 again, with usable bar spacing of 31½ inches between the feet. The maximum weight carrying capacity is 110 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our website for complete details, pricing, and our promotions.